What's up, guys? We're here at Sunset Ridge MX. I'm definitely excited to be here. My second straight win right now. I'm pushing for number 3 today, and it's looking like it's going to be a fun track. They added a couple sections, a couple cool bank turns. I'm ready to have a solid weekend. We're dressed in pink this weekend, supporting breast cancer awareness. I'm happy to do it and happy to support, and just looking for a good weekend on the podium.
Home race this weekend. A lot of friends and family come out for this race. Huge support, and you know, it really does motivate me to do better. But obviously, I want to try and do really good at every single event. But it's the busiest weekend of the year just because he has so many friends and family here. And but you know, I got probably more laps around this track than anybody here, so I feel like we're gonna have a little bit more speed this weekend. So I'm really excited for that. Got some cloudy skies today. We don't know what it's gonna do, but we're gonna be prepared for anything, and we're just going to try and put our Yamaha back on the top step of the box and try and get some of these points in our direction again and see what we can do. Made our pass for the lead up going into the last lap, and we ended up with the overall. And my son's birthday tomorrow. I had to do it for him, and I'm just so happy with the day's result and the whole team. And thank you guys, and looking forward to Unadilla.
I'm happy to be up here, happy to finish, and earn another second place spot. So we're heading into Unadilla next, one of my better tracks, ready to try to pull a 1-1 there and have some fun.
First moto, we had a great start, came out, got the lead. Chad and Joel passed me and got third. And then the second moto we came out, we put in some work, we got up on the box. The first pro rookie to be up on the box this year, just so stoked about it, you know, ready to go to Unadilla and try to do it again.